GermCide X Reviews 2020. Buy this for family. See our review post and understand its benefits. Order today and get up to 50% off. The present world in which we are living is digital. With the help of science, we have developed, manufactured, and created life simple. But what if the digital gadget we are using becomes your cause of death? Yes, you've heard it right. Today the world is going through very severe problems of COVID-19 or coronavirus, which is creating havoc. We can control it by using GermCide X. To overcome severe disease, most people from developed countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Germany, France, Italy, and many countries are using GermCide X. It is an ultraviolet disinfected rays viral disinfectant. GermCide X is now available at exclusive price discount plus free shipping. Read our brilliant explanation on this UV sterilization tool that protects people from germs and bacterial infection. The whole world is now going crazy and scared of the deadly COVID-19 or coronavirus. The death rates are increasing each day and there is no cure discovered yet. Do you need to panic yourself? Well, prevention is the best remedy compared to receiving serious cases. You need to focus on all possible sanitizing facilities that keep you safe. Things could easily get controlled with GermCide X, that is a digital sanitizing device for various purposes needs. This latest sanitizing tool is now available in various countries for sales such as Australia, United Kingdom, United States, Germany, France, Canada, New Zealand, and Italy. The company claims that it kills up to 99.99% germs through the ultraviolet rays technique. Let us find out some brief points about this brilliant technology below. What is GermCide X? GermCide X is a portable and easy-to-use germ and virus killer that works on the theme of ultraviolet rays. It claims to kill the germs, viruses, and bacteria by up to 99.99% with no side effects. The best part of this tool is that it is designed for multipurpose things. All you need to turn the device on and let it function smoothly. It simply works on 3 AAA size batteries that function for long months. If you order the tool now, you qualify for 50% price discount with free shipping at this exclusive website. GermCide X Tech features UV ray-based, designed for chemical-free cleaning of everyday items, multi-purpose, suitable for all surfaces, destroys viruses, bacteria, and germs in no time. UV rays are able to damage germ molecules in about 10 seconds, eliminates dangerous micro-dirt particles, helps to keep the surfaces in your environment clean, chemical-free. Since GermCide X uses UV rays, it doesn't cause skin irritations that some of disinfectant sprays might result in. No refills needed, saves a lot of money on sanitation liquids, works with standard AAA batteries. The device doesn't require any special power cords, just change the batteries and you're ready to go. Easy to use, no special knowledge is needed if you want to use GermCide X. Just put some batteries in it, turn it on and let it do its job. Automatic switch off if light faces upward, protects your eyes and saves the energy. Small, foldable design, created to always be there for you. Great feature of GermCide X: has portable features and crafted with quality materials for long performance. Works with 3 AAA-sized batteries. Uses ultraviolet rays to kill germs, virus, and bacteria. Is comfortable to use and comes with eye protector technology. Is the best sanitizing method for various needs. Arrives with 50% price discount at this website. Suitable for car, laptop, toys, shoes, telephones, furniture, computers, etc. Benefits of using GermCide X: you can easily clean all devices and even desks. It is available at discounts. If you do not like the product, then you can return it and ask for a refund. It is compact and portable. Thus, it can be carried anywhere. It works on the technology of UV radiation, which ensures killing of 99% germs. The cleaner can be used even on car seats and steering wheel. The battery is long-lasting. How does GermCide X UV sanitizer work? GermCide X works the same way as other ultraviolet light sanitization systems. You run the ultraviolet light over a surface, and that light kills bacteria, viruses, pathogens, and other germs. UV sanitization systems have been popular since the 1950s. Today, you can find UV sanitization systems in air and water purifiers. You can also find portable UV sanitizers like Germcidex. All you need to do is put AAA batteries inside GermCide X, activate the light, and run the light over surfaces you want to clean. Germcidex even has an automatic shut-off feature for if you accidentally turn the light upward, to protect your eyes. Does GermCide X really work? The manufacturer of GermCide X has not invested in any clinical trials or studies proving the effectiveness of the device. Instead, the company references other ultraviolet light research. First, ultraviolet light is the spectrum of light just below violet, which is the lowest visible light for the human eye. We can't see most ultraviolet light. There are 3 ranges of UV light, including UVA 315 nanometers to 400 nanometers, UVB 280 nanometers to 315 nanometers, UVC 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers. All UV sanitization systems use UVC light, which is the UV light proven to kill bacteria. This light disrupts the nuclei of bacteria, effectively killing the bacteria. Using light to kill bacteria and germs may sound far-fetched, but it's not. UV light has been a popular sterilization treatment since the 1950s. Today, it's used in water and air purification systems. Some of the best evidence for UV light can be found in this review study from 2012, where researchers analyzed all available evidence on UV light and concluded that UVC radiation was an alternative antimicrobial approach to localized infections. UVC light is particularly effective at the 264 nanometers wavelength. The main drawback of UV light is that it only works when a lot of light targets one surface. Some UV lights spread too little light over a wide surface, while others just use weak UV light. Ultimately, we know UV light works as advertised to kill germs and bacteria. We also know that GermCide X uses some type of UV light. However, the company doesn't disclose which type of UV light it uses, nor does it disclose the wavelength, power, or other crucial details. We assume GermCide X works as advertised, although there's no real proof that it's better than other UV sanitization systems. Why are people buying GermCide X? People are buying this cleaner because it comes with satisfaction guarantee. This means that if you are not happy with the way product works, then you can send it back to the company and get a refund. Now that it is the company's 30-day money-back guarantee policy, who would not like to try this fantastic product? And now that it is available on discount with free shipping, this is a must-buy. Another reason that people are buying this cleaning wand is to stay safe. Quarantine means spending time with our devices. If we keep touching our devices all the time, then it is evident that our devices are going to get dirty. Hence, if we keep our objects clean, we will stay safe as well. That's why investing in cleaning tools is going to be the best investment as of now, and that too before it runs out of the stock. Great discounts, free delivery, safety, and a money-back guarantee are the main reasons that you should buy this cleaning wand. Who makes GermCide X? GermCide X is made by an Estonia-based company called Novads OU. That company has been spotted marketing other disaster preparedness items online in recent weeks, including the Oxy Breath Pro, Wild Survive Pro Survival Kit and the Smart Sanitizer Pro UV sanitization system. Novads OU doesn't seem to manufacture any of its own products. Instead, it orders bulk products and sells them for competitive prices online. Where can you buy UV sterilizer online? If you are looking forward to buying this sterilizer, then here we have mentioned the link to the official website. On this site, you get this cleaner at 50% off, and that too without paying the shipping charge. The company ships the product all over the globe, including Italy and China. As there is only limited stock available, you should order it right now with 50% discount with free shipping.